Okay, y'all, this is Dee from the Fishing Gardener, and I'm gonna go ahead and harvest me a quick salad. I'm clipping these off. I've clipped off a couple already. And just to let you know, this is what I've already clipped off. We have they said purple kale, we have a regular kale, we have romaine. Let's see what else I have in here. Okay, I have some cranberry hibiscus, and you can see some peppers in there, and some longevity spinach in there, some oregano. Here we go. We got some moringa. I have some chive. So I cut some of this. Let's go over here. I got some of this right here. I got some leeks right here. All right, let's take a walk. Look at those persimmons. Look at those persimmons. Okay. This is where I cut. This is the prism kale. So I cut that. See those. I leave the top on because I don't want whatever bugs or moths to attack it. So that's my main reason why I leave the tops on. Alright, here goes some more prism kale. I took some off of here. That's the romaine lettuce. I just threw this over here because this was part of this right here, which is basil. That's my Swiss chard. Not ready yet. When I see it actually getting like this right here, I just go ahead and cut that off and let it do what it do. Okay. I also want you to see this red line. Okay, this is a red line. Okay, so basically, this lime actually turns red. You know, it turns like close to as close to red as possible. And when you cut these limes, they are very, very juicy. So I have two plants like this right here, and I just took a lot of limes off. I just took about 7 off. As small as this plant is, it produces like crazy. Just wanted to show you that right there. On this one right here, look at these two red navel oranges right here. That's what that is. Just wanted to show you that right there. That's the red navel orange. I just up potted it, so we'll have more next spring. I mean, rather next fall. Okay, and this is my cranberry hibiscus. I actually have 3 of these trees right here. The top leaves right here, those are the most tastiest. They're very nice and sweet, so they taste very well. And this is where I got my peppers from. Okay, so I took some peppers off of there. I have different ones. I already taken these right here with the Candy King peppers. I can't remember what pepper tree this is right here. You see the small peppers on there. And of course we know we got the jalapenos. Okay, so I took some stuff off of there for my salad. And this is one of my longevity spinach plants. I have 3 of these. And this is one of my Cuban oregano plants. I don't really know how to eat this, so I'm going to have to Google and study this up. There's one of them right here. And I took a piece off of that, and I placed it right here. So they're vigorous growers. I'm going to learn exactly what to do with them. But, you know, I just take a piece off and put it, and it grows. This piece right here. Alright. As you can see, this piece right here, right there. I'll go ahead and basically stick it in there. And then it grows. It just continuously grows. So I got to learn more what to do with it. There go one of my tomatoes right there. I'm surprised this plant is still going. But I'm also happy with it going also. And this right here is where I got my purple cabbage. Right here. So, you know, I'm growing some more here. I also have some more lettuce. Let's see if we can see that right here. There we go.